Hi friends, today we are going to see about type conversion. So what is type conversion? Type conversion means converting one data type into another data type in a mathematical expression. So in a C program, there might be very many chances where we are going to use some mathematical expressions. In that case, it may happen that the value can be of different data type. So if you want to convert one data type into another data type, we have to use the concept of type conversion. Okay, let's understand how to use type conversion. I'll take the first case in which I have the variable c, which is of integer data type. Now, the mathematical expression that has been used is c is equal to 5 by 2. I've taken a very simple expression in which I'm dividing the number 5 by 2, dividing by 2. 5 is of integer data type and 2 is also of integer data type. And the result I'm going to store it in C variable, which would be again an integer data type. So the result after dividing 5 by 2, I'll get is 2 without any decimal point because we are working on integer division. Let's see the next case, case 2, in which this C is now of float data type and it is not of integer data type. It means the result now I'm going to get is in floating point value. The expression I have kept it same, that is C is equal to 5 by 2. 5 is integer, 2 is also an integer, but it would do an integer division, but the result would be in floating point. How you are going to get floating point value is 2, and after decimal point we'll have 6 zeros. The precision is by default 6. So 2.0006 times. Okay. Since the result is float, I'm getting the value as float, but in this particular expression, I'm using integer data type. Okay, so the integer division would be carried out. Now the third case, that is float C, means C is again a variable which is a floating point data type. But what would happen if I use an expression in which my numerator is of float data type and my denominator is of integer data type? In that case, what type of value? In C, in a mathematical expression, all the data types should be of, all the values should be of same data type. So if I have an expression where my one value is of float and another value is of integer, in that case, your type conversion will come into picture because the values are of different data types. So type conversion can be done in two different ways. One is implicit type conversion and second is explicit type conversion. The first one is implicit type conversion. Implicit type conversion is done by the compiler automatically. Here, the user or the programmer does not have any role in converting one data type into another. It is automatically done by the compiler. How your compiler will convert one data type into another? In that case, it will follow a rule. That is, the lower data type is converted into higher data type. Lower data type means the data type which holds less memory space is converted into higher. Higher data type means the data type which uses more memory space. Okay, so the conversion is done from lower to higher data type by the compiler. So if I have float C as a variable, C is a variable which is a float data type, my mathematical expression is C is equal to 5.0 by 2. Now in this case 5.0 is of float data type and 2 is of integer data type. Both the values are of different data types. So implicit type casting can be done on this by the compiler. In that case, it will convert the lower data type, which is integer because it occupies 2 bytes of memory and float occupies 4 bytes of memory. So this lower data type is converted into float type. So the numerator also is float and the denominator also now becomes float. And then since now all the values are of same data types, the division operation would be carried out. And the answer we'll get is 5.0 divided by 2.0. 2 is been converted into float and the result is 2.5 and 5 zeros. So this is the way an mathematical expression is evaluated in case of implicit type conversion. Let's see few more examples of implicit type conversion. I have different variables here. Float f is a variable which is of data type float. D is a variable of data type double. L is the variable of long data type. I integer and short s. So there are 5 variables of each of different data types. When I write a mathematical expression d plus f, d is for double, f for float. Yani both different data type. Now float is a lower data type. Double is a higher data type. So f will be converted into double. Conversion from lower to higher data type. Then we have another mathematical expression, that is I slash s. I is integer, s is short. So here s is a lower data type. So this s will be converted into an integer value. Similarly, we have L slash I. L is long, I is integer. I is a smaller data type because it occupies 2 bytes of memory. Long is of higher data type because it occupies 4 bytes of memory. So I gets converted into long. So this is the hierarchy which will be followed when the compiler converts one data type into another. That is, from short character 1 byte, it is converted into integer which is of 2 bytes. Then it is converted into long float, a long, that is 4 bytes, float, again 4 bytes, and then double, that is 8 bytes, and so on. Next is explicit type conversion, or it is also known as typecasting. Explicit type conversion is done by the programmer itself. The programmer does not depend on compiler to convert from one data type into another. How you are going to do explicit type conversion? Follow the rule. That is, we have a data type name inside the bracket and then give the variable name. So whatever the data type is a variable which will be converted into this new data type. Say for example, in bracket I mentioned a float x. So x can be of any data type, but it would get converted into a float data type. So it's a generally good practice if you use explicit type conversion and does not rely on compiler to convert it into one data type into another data type. So let's see the previous example once again using explicit type conversion. I have a variable c here, float c. My mathematical expression is 5.0 divided by 2. Previously, I had that 5.0 divided by 2. I want to convert 2 into from integer, I want to convert it into a float. So how I'll do that? Before 2, inside the bracket, I'll write down float. Means 2 is converted into float. So now the numerator is also float and the denominator is also float. So 5.0 by 2 by 0, and the answer is 2.5 and 5 zeros. Okay, so this was all about explicit type conversion, where the programmer converts one data type into another explicitly. Thank you.